Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best multimeter. Here are the top 3 multimeter that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Fluke Multimeter. This meter is lightweight and easy to carry around with you wherever you need it. This combo kit is the perfect tool for any HVAC technician. It also includes a clamp meter with an auto-ranging function to easily take AC or DC signals up to 1000 A full scale. It also comes with alligator clips so you can quickly make temporary connections. It features a built-in thermometer for HVAC applications. At number 2. Etekcity Multimeter. This multimeter can test AC/DC voltage, DC, resistance, diode, continuity, and more. It has a speed of 3 times per second. It has a large backlit LCD with large digits that is easily visible in dimly lit areas. It has a built-in support stand that allows for hand-free use. This multimeter has overload protection on all ranges and is anti-burn with double fuses. At number 1. AstroAI Multimeter. This multimeter is a handy tool for solving industrial and household electrical issues. It is suitable for household outlets, fuses, batteries, automotive circuit troubleshooting, charging systems, testing electronics in cars, etc. This multimeter has a sampling speed of 2 times per second. It has a built-in backlight LCD with effects. It features a silicone cover that can protect the multimeter from failing damage and prevent electric shocks. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.